looks the same as I step down from the train. And there to meet me is my mama and my papa. Down the lane I look, and there runs Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherry. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house is still standing, though the paint is cracked and dry. And there's the old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherry. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Then I wake and I look around me at the four gray walls that surround me. And then I realize yes, I was only dreaming. For there's a guard, and there's the old saddle padre, and arm in arm we walk at daybreak. And again I touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to see me in the shade of the old oak tree as they lay me neath the green, green grass of home. Candy kisses wrapped in paper mean more to you than any of mine. Candy kisses wrapped in paper, you'd rather have them any old time. You don't mean it when you whisper those sweet love words in my ear. Candy kisses wrapped in paper mean more to you than mine do, dear. I built a castle out of dreams, dear. I thought that you were building too. Now my castles all have fallen, and I am left alone and blue. Once my heart was gladness, now there is sadness, only tears, candy kisses, wrapped in paper, mean more to you than mine do, dear. I don't hurt anymore, all my teardrops are dried, no more walking the floor without burning inside. Just to think it could be, time has opened the door, and at last I am free. I don't hurt anymore. No use to deny I wanted to die the day you said we were through. But now that I find you're out of my mind, I can't believe that it's true. I've forgotten somehow that I cared so before, and it's wonderful now, I don't hurt anymore. The day you said we were through, but now that I find you're out of my mind, I can't believe that it's true. I've forgotten somehow that I cared so before, and it's wonderful now, I don't hurt anymore. If within my heart lies a melody, a song of old San Antone, where in dreams I live with a memory beneath the stars all alone. It was there I found beside the Alamo enchantment's friend, just the blue up above. The moonlit path that only she would know still hears my broken song of love. Moonlit on the splendor, not only my heart, hold back my rose, rose of San Antone. Lips so sweet and tender, like petals falling apart. Speak once again of my love, my own. Broken songs, empty words I know still live in my heart all alone. For that moonlit path by the Alamo, and rose, my rose of San Antone.